Hey everyone, and what's happening? And in today's video for you guys, I'm gonna be changing up this here bun and my look, okay? So stay tuned for more.
I gave you my heart.
So guys, we're going to start by combing out the hair, starting from the ends and working your way to the top, and then form a parting in the middle or the side, preferably the middle, and continue to snip the split ends of any fringe that you have or the ends of your hair, and to do a box fringe, gradually cut shorter strands and then eventually bring the hair together, cutting it dead straight, making sure your head is still. When cutting the fringe, make sure that you take your time. Also, once you've done the middle parting and you're happy with your fringe, you can gather all of it in the front and then comb it out and see the result, so that you know how much you've cut. Don't cut too much off. Make sure that even though you keep your head straight, when you do turn your head to the side, your head is still centered. Don't turn your head with your neck. The next steps after cutting your hair to the desired style that you want is to color it. The reason I've left this part in black and white for you is because I will reveal the color afterwards, so I won't show you the actual color right the way through styling this part. So as you can see, I'm applying the color now, and you have to do it by the roots and then carry it out to the ends, making sure you've covered every area possible so it's not patchy. And also after that, you can apply cling film and wrap it around your head. You'll look like a UFO, but hey, it helps to trap in the heat and the color develops faster. To protect your hair, you can also apply the conditioner with the actual mixture of the dye to soften the hair and make it bouncy. As soon as you've finished washing out all the product, you can go ahead and after putting serum, blow dry your hair. Links are in the description below for all hair products that I've used in this video. And yes, I do have a Groovy Chick hairdryer. Now, if anyone has a problem with that, I will stuff their face with cookies. So for my desired look, I've decided to curl my hair and straighten my fringe to the side. I will show you guys before and after pictures. Check it out. So this is the end result. What do you guys think? Leave a comment down below. All beauty products that I've used today for this little ensemble right here is all found down below in the comments. Okay, everything I've used will be in the comments section, everything. So if you want to try this look out for yourself, or you're thinking of going this color, by all means check out the items that I've posted below and let me know how you get on. Until next time, bye.